This is exactly how to fix red light on your Eero here. As you can see, there is actually one thing that you can do really quickly to be able to potentially fix this problem fast. So what you need to do is that you're going to unplug your Eero device. So just turn it back here, as you can see, and unplug all of the cables that you have inside of it right now, and then also unplug it from the power here. And the same with the modem here as well, by the way. Just unplug everything from it here, and just wait about you're gonna wait about 1 minute. So wait 1 minute, and after that you're gonna plug everything back in. Sometimes, if you're a little bit lucky, this will fix it right away for you, just so you know. If it still isn't working for you, then what you need to do is to grab Eero here and turn it to the back, and then you're gonna find the reset button right here. And what you need to do is that you need to make sure the Eero device has been powered on for at least 45 seconds. So after you actually plug everything back in and it still isn't working, wait another 45 seconds, and then you can try the reset method. So press and hold the reset button here until the Eero's light flashes yellow, and this takes about 7 seconds, and then you can release it. The light should then turn to solid white, and the Eero device will appear with a green outline in the Eero mobile app, indicating that it's now should work. If this for some reason isn't working still for you, you can always go to the Eero app and check if there's any outage in your area. If there is, there's nothing you can do right now. You need to wait for them to fix it themselves, and after that the Eero device will not flash red anymore. You can always call their customer support as well, just to double check after you have tried all of these things right here, but hopefully this will be able to fix it for you.